In this video, we will be looking at 5 projects which you can build and add to your resume, and these projects will improve your chance of getting shortlisted for front-end, back-end or full-stack interviews. These projects are recently built so you won't get any error related to packages updating and things changing, as when I was building by watching the tutorials, this was the greatest issue of video getting out of date. But these videos are released just some time ago, so you are good to go. Make sure you watch till the end, as all of these are really cool projects and you will learn a lot from them. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Vimal and I am a final year engineering student at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara, and currently I am doing my internship as a backend developer. And on this channel, I make videos related to web development, tips and tricks, tutorials, and videos related to freelancing also. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Link to all of the projects tutorial will be in the description. First project. Build and deploy a full-stack MERN application with CRUD, auth and chart using Refine by JavaScript Mastery. So by developing this project, you will learn how to deploy a fully functional full-stack MERN dashboard application with complete CRUD functionalities, authentication, pagination, sorting, filtering, and many more. Alongside building this great application, you will learn how Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and React.js together form the powerful MERN stack. Material UI, the most powerful UI component kit nowadays, and TypeScript. You will also learn TypeScript, and amazing thing is that no previous TypeScript knowledge is required. You will also learn how to transform a Figma design into a fully functioning website, which you will be doing when you will be joining an internship or a developer job. So this will be an important skill. How to optimize image and store them on cloud using Cloudinary. You will also learn how to log in and register using Google Auth. Build a chat app with new ChatGPT API. It is by Edro. And in this project, you will build a chat application with Chat Engine and OpenAI's ChatGPT integration. The frontend will consist of Chat Engine for this chat application, Redux Toolkit for state management, Redux Toolkit query for making API calls, Hero icons for icons, and React Router for navigation. For the backend, you will be using Node.js, Express.js as backend framework, and OpenAI for AI integration with the chat. You will also be able to talk through the chat application like with ChatGPT. I have also created tutorials with ChatGPT chatbot creation. You may also check them out. I will provide the link in description. Next project is build a full stack booking app using MERN. It is by Coding with David, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial, you will learn how to build a full-stack booking app using MERN stack. It will be an Airbnb clone with all the main functionalities like the real Airbnb site. This booking app tutorial is designed for beginners and will teach you the basics of building a booking system app using MERN. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a working booking system app that you can use for your portfolio. Next project is complete e-commerce app with React, Strapi, and Thrive. It is by LlamaDev. And in this project video, you will build an e-commerce application from scratch with React, Strapi, which is a headless content management system, and also learn to integrate Stripe payment gateway, which will be fully functional, so customers will be able to pay also. This is really cool project, as you will learn a lot about React, Redux Toolkit, and you will also learn how you can deploy your application to hosting providers such as Hosting. Next project is build and deploy a full stack MERN AI image generation app. And in this project, you will learn how you can create your own AI image generation app with Midjourney and Dolly. Dive into the world of artificial intelligence and build your own version of these tools that can generate everything from memes and art to beautiful UI UX design. Alongside building this application, you will also learn how to use the most in-demand tools like MERN Stack and Tailwind, the most popular CSS framework nowadays, OpenAI's Dolly model, a deep learning model that generates images from text input, Cloudinary, a cloud-based image storage service. I have also created tutorials on creating bots with OpenAI ChatGPT API for WhatsApp, Discord, web, and AI art generator with Node.js and React.js, which you can watch. I will link down in the description, or you can surf my channel and get some more valuable information from my previous videos. Bye.